What's up, people? Welcome back to another video, and I will not be leaving this chair until I solve this. It's not mixed up yet, but it will be in a minute. So yeah, hopefully I can solve this. Let me just mix it up. Maybe look, I can't twist it with one hand, so you know. This is paining me. I've only solved it one time before. Yeah, I will not be leaving this chair until this Rubik's Cube is solved. So, how was your day, man? My day has been fine. Let's hope this takes less than an hour, and here we go. So, yeah, I have never actually solved one except for like one time, maybe. So yeah, let's try to solve this. Probably try to get the white side first. That makes sense, right? Like, I kind of get the concept. This is a very sticky cube, I will not lie. I've never, yeah. Leave a comment if there's comments on this video, and if you solved one before, because I have not solved one before. And yeah, I think it's cool that people are able to solve these things. There we go. That was very interesting. We have 2 sides. 3 sides. Ooh, fancy. Let's try to get this one here. I guess, yeah, this is not a tutorial because I don't know how to do these myself. So, yeah. Yeah, this is weird. How to do this. This, maybe, and then this, and this, and then this. And that's all, but the white's messed up. Oh my god. Maybe here? That might work. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but I've never done this before. Yeah. 2 minutes at this. Aiming for 10 minutes. That'd be pretty impressive. I started with a 2x2 because I hear they're easier than the 3x3. I don't know if I'm right, but that's what I've heard. Let's do this. No, it's cool. Maybe, I don't know what to do. I hear there's algorithms for these things, but I don't know any algorithms. So I'm just kind of winging it. Did that work? Alright. Maybe, that. Maybe I just do the same thing over and over again. It won't work. Oh, wow. Sorry for no commentary here, because I don't prefer talking. I don't know if you knew that about me, but you do now. I am very, actually, antisocial. I dislike talking a lot. Turns out not my favorite thing to do. Yeah. Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed? Maybe this and this. Alright, maybe if I just do something, it will work. Maybe. Let's see here. This is pain. I would not recommend this. Almost 4 minutes. I'm 4 minutes in. Yeah, let's do this. That seems smart, right? Yeah, that seems smart. We'll go with that. Yeah, nothing can go wrong. I am doing everything right. I am definitely a pro at this. 100%. I've definitely done one of these before. Hey, I did a thing. That's slightly interesting. Interesting. Cool. I don't know what I did, but I did a thing. So I'll take that as a good sign, I guess. Okay. Alright, maybe, just try some things here. I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just moving things, hoping it works. Did that work? That does not look like it worked. Let's do this, maybe. Do this. To 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 this. That looks interesting. Okay. Interesting, that's for sure. I don't know what I'm doing. What I'm gonna try to do. I'm trying to get these things here. So, yeah, Let's see, what if I do this, and then this, this. That looks promising, maybe. And this, and then this. I want to leave this chair so bad. But it's only 7 minutes of my day gone, so I have day left. No, I don't have day left, because it's night, but, you know. Figurative day, I guess. I'm extremely confused. Why does all of them want to go there? This makes no sense to me. Oh, I did a thing. Oh, that's interesting. Slightly. I guess. Let's do this, and then this? No. Maybe. Do that, and I can do... What? What? Hold up, give me a minute here. So those are there. If I just do this, and then do this, and then do this, and do this, and this. No. Gotta do undo that, switch that, and then do this, this. What am I doing? This is genuinely confusing. Oh, ooh, that's new. It's interesting. I like that. It's fun. I'm literally just doing the same exact thing. Oh, okay. 3 of them done. That's good. Good sign. If I do this, and if I turn this, and if I that, and then that. Full white side, baby. Let's go. Full white side. Let's go. I want that there, maybe. Alright. That might be better slightly, I guess. This has to go over here. So if I just turn that back, turn that there. Perfect. I enjoy that. Oh my god, never mind. One more time. Oh, that's not optimal. I undid it. Oops. I just like take that out maybe. No, I went cheat. That's cheating, and cheating is bad. I have learned, or I've sold so is a weird word. I have so been told cheating is bad. So this is why I will not cheat over the course of this entire thing. I'm super confused. What did I do? And then if I turn that there, and put that there, and put that there. It's there. Turn that. Turn that. Turn that back. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell. I have no clue. This is probably an offense to all Rubik's cubing people out there, but I don't really care. I like to offend people. Sometimes that's a joke, or is it? That is the real question here. I do dumb stuff sometimes. Alright. Technically, in theory, all I should have to do is that. Did not work. I don't know if you can hear my brothers in the other room, but they're super obnoxious. I will not lie. I will not lie. Not lying at all. Lying, you know, lying is bad, but sometimes it can also be good. I do enjoy me a good dose of lying. And have we done it? Oh, yes, we have. Let's go. Ooh, okay. Where's the white side? There it is. That's interesting. That is very interesting. Got the white side solved here. It's cool, I guess. What should I do? Next, though, is the real question. Maybe, I'm just gonna turn it a bit, and maybe it'll work. Did something happen?
What?
I don't think anything happened. Interesting. Fun fact, nothing happened. That was... Man, what do I do? I mean, what do I do? What to do? That's not... It's a predicament here. Maybe just try... I have no clue what I'm doing. Don't know if you could tell. But yeah, fun fact, I have no idea what's happening. Don't know if I'm doing something good or if I'm doing something bad, actually. I'm just moving stuff and hoping it works. That looks like it could be fun. Yeah, if I did that, that could be interesting. Yeah, don't know if you could tell. No clue what's happening. No clue at all. Fun fact. What if, hear me out, I did that. That messes that up. And I don't want that to be messed up. I want that back. I hate this so much. How do I solve this? What is happening here right now? I don't know. I genuinely have no clue what I'm doing. Maybe just move some stuff again? That seems like it works before. It's probably definitely how you do it professionally, like solve this stuff in like a second. But you know, I'm not that skill level yet. Did I do it? Nope. Yeah, that's given, I guess. That's a given. I obviously did not do it. Don't know if that was obvious. Oh, come on, please. I'm gonna be here all night. I don't want to be here all night. If I could do this before all night happened, that'd be super fun, actually. So yeah, how are you guys? Crazy week, right? This week, actually, I have done nothing but school. I've done other stuff besides school, but mostly just school. Watch some YouTube, play video games. Basically that. I did do swim, but I need to quarantine because someone on the swim team had. Yeah, I was on varsity swim this year. That's fun, right? Varsity swim is cool. Yeah. Low-key sucked though. Lost almost every meet. And then we just lost out on the last 2 meets. So yeah, that sucked. But on a brighter note, swim's done. That's not bright, but you know. You know. You don't know, actually, but I'll just assume you do. Because that's what I feel like doing. It's 2021, actually. I always forget it's 2021. Always a slight problem, but, you know. Alright, I'll tell you what. If it takes me 30 minutes, I'll ask my brother for a hint. Because he's, like, really good with Rubik's Cubes. Only if I get to 20 minutes. And I'll only get 1 hint. Otherwise, I'm literally never going to be able to leave here. Literally never going to be able to leave. Oh, Jesus. So, yeah. Have you guys seen the new WandaVision episode, the finale, right? Super crazy. I won't spoil it for you, but, if you have Disney Plus, I recommend you watch it. It was actually kind of good. High-key, low-key, high-key. It was good, just in general, right? WandaVision was a good show. I enjoyed it. It was fun to watch. Yeah. Same with The Mandalorian. Just all of the cliche Disney Plus stuff isn't actually that bad. I will say. Usually not into cliche stuff, but I'm good. Marvel is just my show. I love Marvel. Marvel is the best. I will not lie. I love Marvel. I have no clue what I'm doing. Help. Help. 17 minutes. I mean, that's not that bad, I guess. It's only 17 minutes longer. 18 minutes now longer than the world record. I was never expecting it to world record, to be completely honest here. Right. Completely honest. All honesty here. What do I want? I want this. I want that. I want that right there. I want this down there. I want that right there. I want that right there. I want this up there. I'm getting serious here. I want that. It's tense. It's very tense. It's a tense moment. Oh, that's cool. I need that there. Just undo what I did real quick. I messed up. No. Why? I want that to come here, maybe? Hopefully. Well, I have stop. I accidentally set an alarm for a time. I meant to set it for 10 a.m., but no, I, of course, set it for 10 p.m. because I'm dumb like that sometimes. Oh, I did a thing. That's cool. That's interesting. Right? Right? Please say yes. Please say yes. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna get some help. I'm gonna get one hint. One hint. One hint. Alright. I'm sorry. One hint, or I'm gonna be here all night. I'm still in this chair. Talk.
Yeah, what do you want?
Yo, can you come here real quick?
Yeah, sure, what do you want?
Yo, what? Why? Can I not solve this? Look at this. Oh.
Yeah.
How do I solve that?
You solve a face.
Mm-hmm. I did solve. I had the white face right there. See?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is that all I have to do?
And then you solve this face as soon as this face is solved correctly.
It is solved. Look, it's solved.
Yeah, but look at this.
Mm-hmm.
You have to solve all that.
How? Why is that like that? He's good at that stuff. Oh, wow. Alright, incredible. Thank you. Goodbye.
You're welcome.
Close my door.
Okay.
Yeah, see, he's good at that stuff. Should be smooth sailing from here. I guess he... What is it? What is it? I'll just turn some stuff. Maybe it will work, hopefully. Please work. I just completely undid what he just did, but, sure. Sure, I guess. Sure. Oh, god damn it. How? Yeah. What is this? What? I'm confused. There's 4 whites. There's 4 of everything. What am I saying? What am I actually saying? I'm stuck. Alright. I'm gonna do this. Maybe. Yeah, sure. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? Mm-hmm.
Good night.
Night.
Don't stay up too late.
Yep.
What you doing?
Solving a Rubik cube.
Cool. Good night.
Alright, yeah. Let's see, what do we do next here? I mean, sure. Should work, I guess. Why are you talking to me? Just set him on my dresser. Don't put them in the water. Alright. Goodbye. Okay, what did I do? What just happened? I did something. It's messed up. Ah. It's super sad. What am I doing? Maybe it's savable? Maybe. Please be savable. It's not savable, is it? Maybe if I just reset it, I don't know. Does that look right? Not really. Not at all. Bro, this is stupid. Alright. Why did that not work? Hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna call this a Coopcast episode, so it's still at a reasonable length, you know. Just like that sometimes, I guess. I just have to get this there. The problem is, it doesn't just go there. So if I do well, alright, I need this to go there. I'm trying to think about this reasonably. I have the white face again. Alright. I think I did it. Did I do it? I think I did the thing that my brother told me to do. Hopefully. Hopefully. Big emphasis on hopefully. I mean, look, see, white sign, blue sign, blue nail stuff. That's kind of what it looks like when he gave it to me. After he did a weird thing, I guess. Yeah. Please just don't get messed up. Just gotta hope I don't do anything wrong. Here, I suck at this. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. I've been doing this for 27 minutes. Yeah, this finally takes him less than 27 minutes to do this kind of stuff. Maybe do this. Right? That could be cool. Sure. I just hope I don't mess anything up. I mean, what is it to mess up? Could hold it like this, or could hold it like this. Hold it like this. Alright, so I'm gonna do a thing here. Maybe just turn it randomly and it will work. Maybe that does not look good. That does not look pretty okie dokie to me. That is not Pong. That is terrible. Damn it. Maybe if I undo what I just did, I might be able to fix it. Maybe. I'm gonna call my brother real quick again. Tucker! Sorry, two. I get 3. Because that's how math works. Tuck, come here real quick. It's important. Alright, look. I don't know what... I have no clue what I did. I did something.
What are you planning? What are you trying to do right now?
I'm trying to do a thing. I'm trying to solve it.
So right now you do algorithm 2.
What's an algorithm?
That one.
Okay. He makes no sense. Alright, go on. I don't know if he expects me to fucking memorize some shit, but I did not do any homework. I did no homework at all. Was I supposed to do homework? This was my idea. No, I do not want any homework. That is not okie dokie. Not at all. What did I do? Ah! I'm just gonna mess it up. Do not want to mess it up. It's not pretty okay. Okay, just concentrate. I need to solve this. Alright, I'm gonna use my third hint. Tucker! Come here! Please. One more time. FBI, open up. What did I do?
Well, you did nothing wrong.
Okay, that's a good sign.
Now you just have to do the next thing.
What's the next thing? Assuming I didn't know what I'm doing, that's pretty okay.
Hold it like that and then do.
Okay, so I'm just going to do random turning again, I guess. Please work. Did I do it? Oh, I did it. Go away. I did it. Oh my god. Alright, well, 31 minutes. I've never solved this before. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. Oh my god, it's solved, bro. Alright, I'm actually pretty happy with myself. Ah, that's so cool. That's so cool. Yo. Alright. This was pretty shitty Coopcast episode. I don't even know if I want to close the Coopcast episode. So yeah, it'll just be a super long video on my channel. Thanks for watching. Do all the cliche YouTuber stuff. Like liking, disliking if you don't like it. Like if you do like it, dislike if you don't like it. Leave a like on the video because it helps me out. And I enjoy I like numbers moving up. This is why I'm addicted to Cookie Clicker. And yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because yeah, near daily videos. Not daily, not at all, but near daily. You know, it's just like this sometimes. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I've been Mrbirdboy. I'm out. Yeah. Sit here and signs for 5 more seconds, and yeah, see ya.